How are you?
Mir geht es gut. Und Ihnen?
Es geht mir auch gut, danke. Sindhuja, wie geht es dir? हाँ,
Danke.
ठीक है, we have Abhijit and Apurva who have their A1 exam. So let us first of all help them. They have it in 2 days, I guess, na? 2, 3 days?
हम्म
एक
फर्स्ट ऑफ
करके
अप्रैल
लेना.
हाँ
3 days, I think.
Have you solved any you performs training? That is the model test from Gyotis site or so?
यस
Just one, which I started today.
Well, you'll have to solve more.
Yeah.
You have actually less time.
hmm
Okay. In which areas do you feel confident or not so confident? What is your
मोस्टली इन राइटिंग
mm, speaking?
ओके
Speaking, I mean, like if this we have like predefined structure, right? You have to
Mm-hmm.
explain your, I mean, introduce yourself, and you have to uh, spell out your name or maybe
Mm-hmm.
city name. So, yes, in that scenario, I feel okay. But while solving one of the proofings paper, I felt that in the lesion part, uh, the questions are a bit tricky. I mean, they're not tricky, but थोड़ा confuse कर देते हैं वो.
Mm-hmm.
And when the schreiben for the email and everything, we have the structures. We can at least memorize the structures, and just in the test we can change the words.
Mm-hmm. Did you solve this book, Prüfungstraining A1? Go through this book.
Mm-hmm.
This has a good vocabulary. And it has 4 question papers.
Okay.
If you go through recordings, ये उसमें भी cover हो ही चुका है, तो
हाँ.
you can also go
Right.
through recordings. Um, that is the moral test. Okay, so urine, तो nobody can help you. It's on
Right.
you completely. So I will skip urine for now, but I have also uploaded the audios of this now, so you can also go through that. Okay, what about this? How do you practice lesion? Suppose this is like proper exam paper, lesion tie lines. So will you go through the sentences first or will you go to the text first?
सेंटेंस
Yeah,
Sentences
the
first.
text first.
The text first. So what
Yeah.
happens, Abhijit, if you go through the text is by the time you reach Nietzsche, you may have already forgotten the upar wala part.
Okay.
हाँ, तो what I would suggest you or try
Mm-hmm.
for at least one question paper is
Mm-hmm.
first of all understand the sentence here. कि what is required ना, then you
Right.
go up and try to find the answer. तो इसका आंसर एक फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में ही मिल जाएगा. जैसे try now, all of you, rest of you can also try. Maria übernachtet im Hotel. Now Maria has written this letter to Christina. So all the ish will be Maria.
Right.
ठीक है? Solve this.
Okay. Then if we go this way, I mean,
Mhm.
the way you suggest, it is much easier.
Hmm.
कि हाँ,
So
we
what's
know
the
कि
answer of the
yeah,
first one?
yeah, it is false because she
Hmm.
has written to Christina, not to hotel.
Correct. So she says, Ich kann bei dir übernachten. Vielen Dank. Bei dir
Right.
मतलब तुम्हारे यहाँ.
Yes.
So then it is false. Then you go to the second sentence, understand what it is given, and then you go to the next para.
Mm-hmm.
Ja, Maria
Ah,
hat Besuch aus Spanien. Was ist die Antwort? Those who are in A1, A2 can also try, but they have the exam, so let them try first, and then you can give it a try. Varun, Rishtish.
She mentioned kann ich auch mein Freundin Andrea mitbringen? Sie kommt aus Spanien.
So this Maria has a visit from Spain. So that means
Hmm.
somebody is visiting her from Spain, which is correct.
Mm-hmm.
Rishtish. Okay, so if you go question by question, then it is easier to understand rather than understanding the entire para. Because ये तो
Right.
छोटा है, but बाकी का, the tiles wise a bigger one, no? It's a longer one.
Mm-hmm.
Same with this one as well. Bauer has written to Herr Schmidt. Okay, it will only take us 15 minutes to solve reason. Let us do it together for this. Today's class may be little longer. So usually we take it for 1.5 hours. थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा शायद आज because we have a lot of participants as well. So higher level students, if you want to drop and join after half an hour or so, you can do that. Or you can stay on the call. Up to you. Ja. Herr Bauer möchte Herrn Schmidt besuchen.
Yeah, Restish.
Richtig? Okay, warum? Where is it given?
The second para.
Mm-hmm.
Wir können
Second
uns
one.
aber nach
nicht besuchen, no? So,
Möchte. What is
false.
möchte?
He would
Wants
like
to.
would like
Wants to,
would
na?
like
Would
to,
like to.
yes.
would like to.
But that
He would
will
like
still be
to.
Rishtish.
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 Rishtish
Yeah.
Rishtish
only.
because उसमें it is written कि he cannot visit unfortunately on 18th March,
Yeah.
but
But he wants to
afterwards he
visit
can.
para.
again.
हाँ,
Yeah.
he wants to visit. Yeah.
Yeah.
On
I mean, he
19th,
still wants to visit.
Correct.
Yeah.
Herr Bauer hat am 18. März abends Zeit.
False.
False.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is
18th
false.
at 7 p.m. he can visit, no? In the second line he mentioned.
ठीक है. The
Zeven.
answer is Rishtish. Check again. उसके नीचे भी देखो एक sentence है.
Yeah, that is also Rishtish.
So he says कि 18 को evening को I have time. And if you see this one, कि 18 को Umfunsen Uhr kann ich nicht. At 3 p.m. I cannot. Aber wir können uns nach 19 Uhr treffen. No? So after 7
okay.
p.m. or on the next day, that is on 19th.
Order.
Okay, but the 19 was still refers to 18th March.
Nah.
That is why it's tricky.
Yeah. Yes. So that's why ना they are sequential all the answers. तो हमको आगे पीछे भी थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ता है.
So, like we have this question number 3, 4, and 5. So there would be always जिस तरह आपके पैराग्राफ लिखा हुआ है. So ऐसा नहीं होगा कि लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन
First में
refers to
आएगा.
first.
नहीं.
Okay.
सब sequentially होंगे.
ठीक है.
Herr Bauer hat am 19. März keinen Termin.
Rishtish.
So he says keiner Termin, so no
Yeah.
appointments.
No
And
problem.
this sentence, this word, an diesem Tag is still referred to 19. No? On this day, habe ich den ganzen Tag frei.
Free.
So I'm free the whole
Yeah.
day. I'm not working. So that means he does not have any other appointments. तो ये पूरा रिश्तिश है.
Okay. And we have like 3 similar questions. I mean, like 3 emails होंगे, उनके 3 respective questions होंगे, right?
Yeah. First one, you will have 2 questions. This is a personal email, and second one is a formal email.
Okay.
Then in tiles Y, there is a sentence, and you have to find whichever is a suitable option. Okay? You don't even have to look at zero. Don't look at zero, because anyway, don't waste your time at all. Go to the next one, which is the sixth one directly. Now, what is the requirement here? Sie möchten am Sonntag Mittag. Okay, as soon as you see this, Sonntag will come under Wochenende. Correct?
Right.
And Mittag will be 12. So, see कि वो time wise कहाँ पे fit हो रहा है. And I will also write this. Draußen is what?
Outside.
Outside.
So, which other words are there that talk about draußen?
Drinnen.
No, words.
Okay.
Garden.
Western.
Correct. So, we have
Spazieren
okay.
gegangen.
Garten,
Garden.
im Garten. Or you can also see the word im Freien, in open.
Nature.
In der Natur.
Nature.
Yeah, which one?
A.
A.
Bay.
Okay.
Day.
Purva, why A?
No, baby. I said
B
B.
ना?
Day.
Okay.
B.
एक तो इसका
Day.
time match नहीं हो रहा है.
Timing.
You
Yeah.
need this is
Right.
at only 7. That is 7 onwards, and this one is matching. Plus, it is in the Natur garden. Draußen, you have to look for these words. Okay. Sie möchten ein neues Fahrrad kaufen.
B.
A.
Okay.
B.
Bay.
Mhm.
Bay.
Apurva?
B.
B. So if you look at the words here,
Noi.
एक तो ये तो mechanical
Mechanic.
mechanic का है, and plus it is written reparatur. So we don't need repairs, na? We want to buy a new one.
New.
See, Fahrräder in allen Preisklassen neu und gebraucht. Gebraucht मतलब used, second hand. This is only for repairs. And if you want to buy a new one, you cannot go to repair. B. Any questions so far? Sie möchten am Wochenende tanzen gehen. Sonntag und Samstag.
B.
Day.
Day.
B. Okay, why?
Because first वाले में it is learning school. Like you want to learn dancing and like Monday to Friday. She wants to go on weekend.
So this is only for learning how to dance. This is
Right.
Tanzschule. You don't want to learn. You want to just go for dancing. You don't have to know all the words. You just have to pick up context wise. Okay, next one. Hessen ist eine Stadt. Deutsche Stadt.
A.
A.
Lokesh, others, Sindhuja. Was ist die Antwort? A. Warum nicht B?
Here,
It's mentioned like ganz Hessen fahren, like whole city, a whole like Hessen. But here it's only mentioned like musical shows or concerts.
Hmm. This is
Also, it
ticket.
mentioned
Brandon means
Brandon,
there are
more
multiple,
than one.
yeah, 5 people's. We can
Hmm.
purchase the ticket.
Until
Brandon.
5 people, yeah.
Yeah.
And it says, einen Tag durch ganz Hessen fahren. Kennenlernen is to get to know something or even someone. So you want to get to know the city Hessen. So if you want to get to know, you'll have to travel.
Hmm.
And this is only for musical shows and concerts. This is the answer. Next.
A.
Ah.
Kaput, the word, if you see kaput or funktioniert nicht वगैरह ऐसे कुछ words, you have to look for the words Reparatur.
Mhm.
Where is it? Reparatur. This one. And what about this? What do we have here?
It's a new for new phones and computers.
This
We are
this is for
Kaufhaus
old.
Oh, sorry.
appliances. So we'll
buy
buy old appliances.
Actually.
The meaning of Algiterate?
Altgeräte,
Sorry,
old
Altgeräte.
appliances.
Old appliances. Okay.
Hmm. So if your computer is kaput, you'll have to look for the Reparatur. हो गया Teil 2. Now in the Teil 3, you will have a sentence. This is a notification. So any kind of information that is given here, this is a place, an der Bäckerei. And you have to see if this sentence is true or false based on this information given here.
Richtig.
Richtig.
Okay, why?
Umgezogene is relocated. So
Hmm.
it is relocated in Bahnhofstrasse 10. So we can buy bread from Bahnhofstrasse 10. 10.
Bäckerei Krause, wir sind umgezogen. We have shifted, relocated. Umziehen. To shift. Sie finden uns jetzt in der Bahnhofstraße 10. In der Bahnhofstraße 10 kann man Brot kaufen. Aprova?
Ja, richtig.
Ja.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Exams.
False.
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 So it is, if you go there at Nachmittag, it is going to be closed.
What is a Ubervisor?
Überweisen is to transfer. You can transfer money.
And what is withdrawal?
Abheben.
Abheben.
An einer Haltestelle.
Richtig.
Richtig.
Okay, what does it mean? This notification here?
Like
Stop
it
has
has
changed.
been
Hmm.
relocated.
Yeah. Really.
Correct. There is a new Haltesteller.
Yeah.
Vegan, actually, this is a B1's grammar point. Vegan is due to, because of Bauarbeiten, construction work. This bus stop has moved. It is now, there is a new one now. Ist.
The meaning of worklet is moved, no?
Moved. It is actually to postpone, fillet, relocated also you can say. Relocated.
False.
False.
False. Okay.
Until.
Why?
So
Because
first
it
September
is
until
Ristesh?
first it
It
says
is Rishtish.
Ristesh.
no, it is false
false.
because it is closed bis zum ein, and rest of the September it will be open.
Open.
Yes. Vistum na? Vistum matlab only until.
Until.
Hmm.
Yeah.
First
तो उसके बाद it is going to be opened,
open.
not in September. Okay, these are the words you should know. Geschlossen, closed. Schließen, to close. Then we have zu as well. Zu is also closed. I'll show you one more. Just a minute. Eleven minutes. See this one now. Pizzeria Roma. Am Donnerstag, 29. Juli ist unser Restaurant geschlossen. And here it is written somewhere zu. See,
Sorry.
hat das Restaurant zu. Actually, zu haben is the verb. Is to be closed. And then opened is geöffnet. And we have offen as well, which is open. Öffnen. Öffnen. To open. And auf. This one. Diese Woche ist das Geschäft nur am Vormittag auf.
And what is the word for often?
Often is oft.
Oft. Okay.
Im Hotel, next one.
False.
False. False.
Okay.
Prestige. I think jeden Tag, every day, no? Every day it is
It is
Se-
Rishtish.
seven
Täglich
But
to
false.
jeden
But
Prestige
on
but
the
false.
Saturday,
Richtig. Jeden Tag 7 Uhr Frühstück und there is like daily from 7 to 10.
But then what about this Sonntag?
It is false because on
Sonntag,
Sunday
yes, to
it is
Yeah.
from
It's
8.
8 to
So ये
10.
बहुत अजीब है ये. I don't know why they have given like this. So täglich includes every day, na? Monday to
Every day.
Friday.
Daily.
Monday to हाँ करेक्ट,
Yeah.
मंडे टू संडे, बट जोन टैक्स को इट इज अलग। तो आइडियली ये रिश्तेश भी है, पास भी है, बट
Oh.
द आंसर इन द Antwortbogen is falsch.
Oh.
And again, Eden Tag is also like really.
Teglish. I think it is Teglish except Zontags. So instead of writing Monday to Saturday, they have written Teglish for that, and Zontags is alag.
एग्जाम में अगर दोनों मार्क करके आए
हाँ,
तो
नहीं दोनों तो नहीं है। दो अंडे
दोनों
मिलेंगे।
दो क्रॉस करके आएंगे।
नहीं, that will not be possible. ठीक है। So lesion is actually very doable, but आपको पता होना चाहिए कि which sentences, words to take from. Yeah. Sindhuja, you have written even, na?
No, I've not
Acha.
written even. Like,
Okay.
I'm
Then
planning
A2?
to give. No, I'm just planning to
Acha,
give my
directly
B1.
B1. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
directly B1 because yeah. Actually, I feel like writing each and every level gives us confidence because we prepare for the exam, right?
And just take a look at this. Which words do we have? Also look at the website name. Okay, what about this one? Sie möchten in einem Restaurant Fisch essen.
Ah,
Because
Uh,
this
whether
one is
it's
a
Lebensmittel.
Lebensmittel import.
Grocery.
Import.
Okay.
This word I find very interesting. Have we spoken about this one? Meeresfrüchte.
Ocean
seafood?
seafood?
Seafood, yeah. Meer is actually ocean, na? And
Yeah.
Früchte, matlab fruits. So the fruits of the ocean, seafood.
Fruits is Obst, right?
हाँ, Obst and Früchte both. Obst is
अच्छा.
general category की I like to eat fruit. वैसे.
Okay.
ये करते हैं ये वाला. This one.
They,
They.
they,
Okay. Sie machen im Sommer einen Deutschkurs in Berlin. Sie suchen ein billiges Zimmer.
Bay.
Okay. Why Bay?
Like it is Kleinen Wohnung oder Zimmer, but here it is apartment and it will be more when compared to this.
Okay.
also it mentions
Also in the
Berlin.
summer.
So summer months in Germany are Juni, Juli, August. Okay. But still A is the answer.
Oh.
Look at the conjugation of the verb in the second.
Klein.
Kleinwohnung.
Conjugation of the verb. Verb.
Suche.
तो it is ich suche. तो मतलब मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ घर, तो अगर if you find then let me know.
If you would have mentioned ish, then
हाँ. But this is a वो advertisement के language ना, ये usually
Yeah.
drop होता है. हाँ. So this is कि I am looking for an apartment. If you find, tell me also. on this number.
Oh,
So although
this
here
was
nothing is
difficult.
given, this is nothing given about Zomer or anything,
Mhm.
but still I is the answer for this. And also you are looking for one room, and this is Einzimmerwohnungen. Same,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
one room apartments. Jeden Monat. So even if you visit this in summer, you are still going to get
Okay.
it.
Mm.
So ऐसे वाले छोटे छोटे things are there that you'll have to pay attention. Apurva, Abhijit, questions here? Conjugation. Yeah.
And how much time do we get? I think 20 minutes
20 minutes.
for all
दोनों मिला के you have 40
Mhm.
minutes, 40 to 50 minutes, I guess.
Mhm.
हाँ, तो श्राइबन लिखो या फिर लीजन करो, it's up to you.
Okay.
Hmm.
How would you suggest like कि पहले क्या पिक करें so that I mean I know इसमें जैसे ये वाले इसमें you have to think, you have to see each and every word ध्यान से, तो पहले we should do the Schreiben and then do the Lesen because
नहीं, what I suggest the students is little a जुगाड़ू option.
yes
कि
yes
as soon
please.
as the urine is done ना, go
Mhm.
to directly Schreiben section.
Okay.
ठीक है? Schreiben part 2. ये.
Mhm.
So what is the topic here? Sie wollen heute Abend mit einem Freund oder Freundin ins Kino gehen. Sie sind aber krank und können nicht. Schreiben Sie Ihrem Freund oder Freundin eine SMS. What is the topic here?
They are going for a movie
Yeah,
today
in theater.
evening.
हाँ, तो ये
Yeah.
Z मतलब कौन है? First of all,
They.
tell me this. नहीं.
They.
You.
Me.
You.
You.
Yeah.
You ना, तो all
Yeah,
the
okay,
Z's
okay.
are you. तो
Yeah.
they are
Correct.
मतलब कौन? किसके बारे में लिखोगे? So your entire letter should be ish,
Okay.
not they. हाँ, ठीक है? Now let us see कि you find this exercise, or similarly you're writing to a friend, inviting him or her to a birthday party, accepting the invitation, rejecting an invitation. So try to first of all understand the topic and keep it in mind कि ठीक है, I have to write about rejection of an invitation.
Mhm.
Then you go to listen. And
Okay.
while reading, if you come across any words that you can utilize in the letter, note them down.
Nice.
And you can literally borrow all the sentences from exam paper. जैसे ये वाला
Oh.
सेंटेंस ना, ये डाल दो. Wir können uns ja bald mal wieder treffen.
Mhm.
Wie geht es dir? So you can take a lot of hints from the paper itself.
Right.
वो possibility होती है A1 and A2 में. B1 onwards you have to write individual models. So you don't have that. You can copy paste noun capitalization. जैसे अभी नीचे क्या था कि I cannot come because I'm sick.
Yeah.
So you
Right.
can borrow this sentence, na? Ich habe fever. Und kann nicht kommen.
Yeah.
This is relief. Yes.
Hmm.
either
But
question paper
you
से-
will have to know what to replace, because you cannot
Right.
replace literally
Yeah.
write the
Copy.
entire paper as it is. So Z के जगह पे you'll have to write ish. Then harbor.
Ish harbor.
Mhm.
तो हर कोई फिर इस पे ही होगा, ish में ही होगा. Noun capitalization, spellings.
अगर म्हणजे
लेटर
एक्झाम मध्ये असं काही आलं की आपल्याला वर्ड्सच कळत नाही लेटर लिहिण्यासाठी त्यावेळेस
नाही,
काय
मग
करायचं?
you cannot. If you are not able to understand ki what is the requirement of the letter, then what will you write now? But you can take a lot of hints from the paper itself.
आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. एक बार लेटर लिख लेंगे, फिर वापस अगर वहाँ रीडिंग पे जाएंगे तो वो मतलब उतना स्पेस हमें छोड़ना पड़ेगा ना. वी हैव टू बी कैलकुलेटिव.
हाँ,
नहीं तो फिर वो
प्लस
बहुत
इतना है कि
काटम कुटी हो जाएगा.
पहले इफ यू राइट राइटिंग, or then you go to lesson. Lesson में if you find any interesting word, you will not be able to write it in the, then add it to your letters later on. क्योंकि on the spot ठीक है, let's say the topic is कि you are asking your friend, can I bring something? ठीक है, और on the spot नहीं सूझा कि I don't want to write Zalat, I don't want to write cola, but you are going through the letter, this reading part, and you find this word Getränk, and you वो click हुआ कि अच्छा Getränk का मतलब drinks. So instead of writing pizza or whatever, you can say kann ich Getränke mitbringen.
Also for the paper based, can we write the like notes or something with the pencil on the question paper?
Yeah,
There are both paper and computer based, or only
computer
paper?
based, paper based. All of them have appeared, has applied for this one only, paper based.
Paper.
Okay. As per your suggestion, like computer is good or like paper based?
कंप्यूटर में टाइपिंग है, उतना ही फर्क है.
Okay. But yeah, in computer, like I cannot select, right, which one I want to give first. If I want to give here and
हाँ,
first.
I guess वो ये नहीं है, flexibility नहीं है उसमें.
Yeah.
पेपर बेस में है, करेक्ट है.
Rishika, I've heard that in paper-based exams, urine might be difficult, like you can't hear properly or something like that. I've heard that from some students
हाँ,
who have
this may
attended.
happen because एक तो
Yeah.
क्लासरूम का सीटिंग can be little tricky ना.
Yeah, it all depends on their luck,
हाँ
right? If at all
हाँ.
they have seated near,
जय
so
माता दी, टिक. जय
yeah,
माता
yeah,
दी,
that's
टिक
what,
है.
yeah.
वही करना
So
पड़ेगा ना अभी. If there is a big classroom और they are playing it on loudspeaker, और अगर आप बहुत नजदीक बैठे हो लाउड स्पीकर के, तो फिर वो आवाज बाउंस होता है. तभी भी नहीं समझेगा. If you are sitting
yes,
at the end, तभी भी नहीं
you
समझेगा.
can't
Then
listen.
you'll have to
Yes,
tell them actually कि increase the sound or something if that is possible. हाँ, that also depends. हाँ, और one more thing कि यूरन का क्या है कि if you don't remember, if you don't get it, get the sentence or answer ना, do not feel demotivated. होता है ना कि नहीं समझा तो आगे का भी चला जाता है फिर. You have to make sure that you are present there mentally completely during यूरन.
yeah. So
तो आगे
because
का
this,
भी
you don't
जाएगा.
recommend the computer-based exam
हम्म.
because I think the according to you, the only difference is like typing, right? We can
Typing
type
is difference.
faster and yeah, we can type faster than computers, right?
हाँ, but you should know how to type with a German keyboard then.
Okay. Isn't
Umlauts.
it like we do practice in the laptop, right? That's not going to cut it.
नहीं, because laptop में we have the possibility of switching from English to German keyboards. वहां पे सिर्फ जर्मन ही कीबोर्ड होता है, गेस, डिजिटल में. तो उसका लेआउट कंपलसरी जर्मन रहता है.
We have option for paper based and computer one in German also.
जर्मनी एज वेल.
For listening, they don't give the headset like in IELTS they do.
नहीं, पेपर बेस में नहीं, वो स्पीकर पे ही लगाते हैं.
But Rishika, I
Computer based
cannot.
they will provide headphone.
कुठे डिजिटल ना.
Computer based.
हाँ हाँ, they do. For
But
computer
Rishika,
based we
like
have headphones, but for paper based it is played for everyone together.
Advantage disadvantage in both.
So everything has plus and minus. Yeah, it's but उस ये सब करके भी अगर पढ़ाई नहीं की और इसमें ही रहे कि हेडफोन मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा.
but
पढ़ाई नहीं
Rishika, I
की भी क्या
cannot
फायदा.
find any computer based like test in Goethe, like
In India there
A1.
are less, I guess. Calcutta and Delhi I think has it.
No, in Calcutta also I cannot find because I will appear in Calcutta. But
Then
in
go for paper
Calcutta,
ना.
yeah, paper is only there, paper based.
पेपर के लिए
But
जाओ फिर. I think they
yeah,
have started recently only with the digital. But digital matlab you have to travel to their center, huh? You cannot write it from home.
yeah, obviously.
हाँ
Like,
हाँ.
but I cannot find any computer based. I'm just
अच्छा.
searching on it now.
They keep on changing their schedules now.
Yeah,
2-3
it
students
might.
have written B1 computer based exam.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, what about this one?
ऋषिका क्वेश्चन में जैसे सामने वाला का एक्सेंट समझ नहीं आया तो लाइक ही बिलोंग्स टू सम अदर कंट्री तो डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है.
हो सकता है, then the examiners help you in that case.
ओके.
Mm.
And
Okay, what about
also
this?
for the expression, the card question,
We'll come to that now. After this now,
mhm,
we'll come to that. Yeah,
if
expression.
any card is not able, we cannot understand.
No, you can just say कि ich verstehe die Bedeutung nicht. Oder ich kenne das Wort nicht. I'll give you some phrases. Examiners help. A1 is very basic exam, so they help you for that. Yeah, what about this?
Is Justingen Dushka?
Günstisch is billig, nicht
billig.
teuer.
It might be a because in pay 300 is mentioned. It might be 300 should not be the answer.
नहीं जो obvious है वो आंसर कभी नहीं होता.
हाँ.
I
और
thought like that,
ये
but I
हाँ बट ये ना कुकिंग रेसिपीज है वैसे भी.
अच्छा,
okay.
Japanese recipe.
हाँ, so keine Idee, was Sie kochen können, no idea what you can cook. Then you visit our website. There are more than 300 cooking recipes.
Okay.
Obvious
Because
आंसर कभी मत सिलेक्ट करना, वो नहीं होगा.
because A वाले में भी it's not written somewhere कि हम kitchen garret sell कर रहे हैं या
हाँ
it says kitchen specialisten
हाँ.
तो
So
मतलब technically
alles
में
was in der Küche brauchen.
Anything you need for your kitchen.
kitchen
हाँ.
okay.
And Germans keep washing machine or even washing machine in the kitchen na.
Yes,
It's the
yes.
structure. So even for wash machine you will find it in the Küche.
Right. तो technically इसमें हमें wrong को ढूंढ के फिर सही को सिलेक्ट करना पड़ा.
हाँ करेक्ट. तो 300 ऐसे अगर ऑब्वियस कुछ आंसर दिख रहा है तो वो होता ही नहीं है. That is just to trick you because lot of students match words ना. हाँ ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है but we can do. Little tricky.
Is it false? I'm guessing. Dushka. Because it states here they're looking for
Grecian.
Asian.
it's right because it says Sprash Kursa only, right? It's course. They are looking for layer and layer end.
ठीक है. I will write these words. You tell me. Green ना यार Greek.
Greek. Okay.
Yeah.
It's mentioned like here a speaking class for Greek, but in there it's mentioned like Greek course. It might be false.
So Grecish, it's a language. And here it is given Sprachkurs मतलब speaking course नहीं,
Speaking course.
language course.
Yeah, that's what. So they'll teach here for Greek
So there are language courses for Greek people.
people. Yeah.
तो Greek
Okay.
people को क्यों पढ़ना है ना उनकी language.
Yes.
So
And
that's
plus
why,
it is written Griechisch Lehrer oder Lehrerin gesucht.
yeah, they're
Gesucht is
searching for
हाँ.
searching.
Yeah.
Gesucht मतलब we are looking for,
Mm-hmm.
we are searching. So we need a Greek teacher. So Greek language का teacher. Did you understand this?
Yes, yes. Got it.
Abstellen is another word for parken.
What is raider?
Rad, Farad.
Farad. Acha, okay,
Plural.
rider. Okay. Acha, riders.
नहीं raider, Fareder. Bicycle का plural.
Richtig.
Oh, bicycle.
Verboten मतलब
Prohibited.
Not allowed.
Prohibited.
Allowed.
so you will see
Not
nicht
allowed.
dürfen, then nicht erlaubt also you will see. Allowed, not allowed. Nicht.
They didn't mention for Zontag and Ramstag, right?
इमा मतलब there anyway doctors are closed on Sundays.
Always.
Germany में तो that's they don't
Saturday
mention
also.
it. Saturday
Okay.
also I guess. What about others who stay in Germany? Saturday is their off.
Yes,
Doctors?
almost. Yes.
Yeah, almost.
Close.
Only the Notfall doctors.
अच्छा emergency वाले.
Yeah. तो
okay.
उनका I guess posting लगता है.
हम्म
Like sometimes this doctor is available, sometimes जैसे pharmacy. Like they notify you.
Then it's Restish.
Just
So Monday to Dienstag, Montag, Dienstag, Donnerstag, Freitag, and Mittwoch को भी it is opened.
Restrict.
Tautology. Okay, next one.
Is Weihnachten.
Weihnachten मतलब ये Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Richtig.
Yeah, British.
And then vier Sonntagen vor Weihnachten. That is all 4 Sundays
Four.
before Christmas. Neueröffnung.
New Year.
New opening.
अच्छा.
Falsch. It's located immediately, right?
it's famous.
हाँ.
So you cannot buy now. It is in
Yeah.
2 Wochen.
After.
Falsch.
Ab sofort means
Immediately.
immediately.
So immediately you can buy. इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम है Schreiben lines. ये तो वैसे easy है. In Schreiben lines, there is a text given here, and you have to fill in this information here. Don't write your information, huh? Text का information भरना है.
Yeah.
खुद का भर दिया है, फोन आवा नाक नावा. Okay, so it is always that you're helping a friend to fill in some kind of form.
Yeah, so technically like आप किसी दोस्त को हेल्प करो जिसे जर्मन नहीं
हाँ,
आती.
correct, हाँ, and you're helping him or her.
Okay.
Okay, and I have to keep it like this. Tell me this one. Einzelzimmer oder Doppelzimmer?
One room, double room,
Hmm.
double bed,
Hmm.
single bed, double bed.
Einzelzimmer.
Okay. So how many people are going to stay here?
One second. So from
Zwei.
Diana.
Who?
Couple.
Julian and his wife.
So, okay, doppel then I think
Doppel, ना?
they are a
Seine
couple.
Frau.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो Einzelzimmer मतलब एक ही बेड वाला.
Like
ठीक है, अपने इधर
Einzelzimmer
कैसे?
is one bedroom, not like that.
हाँ, नहीं, अपने इधर कैसे? If you go to a hotel, irrespective whether you are a single person or you are accompanying there is somebody with you, you're going to get this whole bed ना to yourself. But Einzelzimmer मतलब ऐसा single bed मिलता है. So this is only for one
Oh.
person.
Okay.
हाँ,
I thought Einzel is one bed and
one bed वाला
Yeah.
room. नहीं.
Okay, then Doppelzimmer.
Doppel. So Doppel will be for two people.
And even though ऊपर लिखा हुआ it says कि Einzimmer for sich und seine Frau,
हाँ,
still
तो
we would select Doppelzimmer.
Doppel because there are two people.
Okay. मैम ऊपर वाला जो अभी था उसमें एक ये था besonder Wunsch something.
Special wishes.
अब इस वाले इसमें लिखा है ओके Zoe Firerider Mieten. So जो ये Fahrräder Mieten है, so will that go in that special
हाँ.
wish, right?
Zwei Fahrräder und Fernseher.
Okay. So and how would we write it? Like just Zoe Firerider and
Und
Fernseher.
Fernseher.
इतना ही लिखना?
हाँ,
No
yeah.
sentence formation, right?
No sentences. हाँ,
Okay.
just the keywords.
Okay.
Wife Farada Meeten full na कि only is wife Farada.
Zwei Fahrräder. That's also enough.
Okay.
Und einen Fernseher. Okay, Abhijit, introduce yourself. And then comes, so after that, you'll get the second question is all about framing questions. Okay, तो ja, nein Frage oder W-Frage you can ask.
Okay.
First round का question topic सबके लिए same होगा. So यहाँ पे topic is lernen. Lernen, einkaufen, essen, trinken, ऐसे basic topics can come. So you have to use this word and around this topic. So you don't need to use the word lernen in every question, but around that topic. So welche Sprachen lernst du? Oder welche Bücher liest du gern? Da gehst du gern in die Schule? Was lernst du im Internet? Wie heißt dein Lehrer? Na, was lernst du zu Hause?
So will they just orally tell the theme or they would hand out these cards?
They will hand out.
Okay, so एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस कि डिफरेंट
Hmm.
कार्ड्स मिलेंगे, इन पे अलग अलग वर्ड्स
हाँ
होंगे. ओके.
हाँ yeah. So there will be 4 students. You first one will ask the question to the next one. फिर next one will answer, pick up that chit or the card, and he or she will ask the question to the next one. तो ऐसा पूरा 4 लोगों का एक राउंड होगा.
Okay.
They give time for thinking.
हाँ हाँ एक मिनट देते हैं. अगर people related questions है ना, any words, but again you should be able to know कि कौन सा people related word है वगैरह. But अगर Vater, Mutter, Freund, okay, Lehrer in this case, oder Frau, Mann, ऐसे कुछ words है, तो you can always ask about, एक तो wie heißt, ना, wie heißt dein Vater? So what is the name of your father? So heißen related you can ask, or you can also ask wie alt. Kinder, Bruder, Geschwister. Bücher, Sprachen. इसके लिए थोड़ा सा understanding of V-Frage, Ja-Nein-Frage is required. Because here, now since the topic is zu Hause at home, you cannot ask some random questions, ना कि was isst du zu Hause? Was essen Sie zu Hause? आपको lernen topic को लेके question frame करना है.
Mm-hmm.
So was lernst du zu Hause? ये होने के बाद second question होगा Sport. Then again you will do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
If you see this such words, so the entire word is in small case, then you can directly use it as a verb because they are all verbs, na?
Mm-hmm. Right.
So you can just say wann wale questions you can ask. Wann schwimmen Sie? Wann lesen Sie? Wann fahren Sie Fahrrad? Because all of these are verbs. And do not use do because do में क्या, ठीक है, you can use do as well, but do में ना conjugation के mistakes हो सकते हैं. जैसे fahren in do becomes fährst. Ich fahre, du fährst ना, तो irregular conjugation है उसका. तो फिर वो on the spot fart अगर हो गया या फिर farst हो गया तो you lose a mark ना. तो Z is safer.
आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. जैसे
हम्म.
सामने वाले के पास भी यही कार्ड रहेगा ना, तो व्हाट
नहीं,
इफ
उसके बाद अलग सा होगा ना.
अगर सामने वाले ने जैसे वॉकाहांडा और फूसबॉल पे क्वेश्चन पूछा, आई कैन नॉट आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन अगेन ना?
नहीं, once you pick up your this card,
हम्म.
वो आप रख दोगे ना, फिर वो आपके पास रहेगा और सामने वाले के पास अलग सा होगा, दूसरा होगा.
ओके ओके
So they don't have the same card that you have. There are 4 cards, 4 people, 4 cards.
ओके ओके.
ये जो ना
Let's
ग्योथा के साइड पे you have this as well. पूरा. अरे 1 second. ठीक है, तो ऐसे these are 2 examiners and this is all of you. 4 of you will be there. So after the first round of introduction, they will ask you the basic questions. Again, the same पोस्टलंग वाले questions. उसको ही 10 मिनट लगते हैं. Then you will start picking up this cards. See. अरे क्या हुआ ये?
Karten zu einem Thema. Das Thema ist Essen und Trinken. Sie stellen eine Frage und Sie antworten. Dann stellen Sie eine Frage und Sie antworten. Wir machen ein Beispiel. Essen Sie gerne Fleisch?
Nein, ich esse kein Fleisch, ich esse Gemüse.
Dankeschön. So. Okay. Nehmen Sie eine Karte und bitte fragen Sie.
Ja, trinken Sie Bier?
Nein, ich trinke nicht Bier, aber ich trinke Cola oder Saft.
Mhm. Dann bitte Sie.
Was frühstücken Sie bitte?
Ich habe Milch und Brot.
Mhm. Dankeschön, ja.
Was trinken Sie am Sonntag?
Am Sonntag ich trinke Bier.
Danke.
Was ist seine Lieblingsessen?
Meine Lieblingsessen ist Komplex.
Mhm. Dankeschön. Können Sie mir die Karten bitte geben? Dankeschön. Wir haben jetzt ein anderes Thema. Das Thema ist Wochenende. Ja, Sie stellen nochmal Fragen und antworten.
So, iske there are two rounds. Again, the first one was Essen und Trinken. So they picked up the card, whatever the question is, question word, जैसे ये वाला. They ask the question to the next person. तो और second topic है Wochenende. So they have to repeat the same now.
Bitte schön.
Was machst du am Wochenende? Gehst du auf Ausflug?
Ja,
Gehen
gern.
Sie auf Ausflug?
Ja, gern. Ich mache am Sonntag und Samstag immer Ausflug. Am Wochenende besuchen Sie seine Family?
Ja, ich bin mit meiner Familie. Am Wochenende lesen Sie Bücher?
Ja, ich lese ein bisschen am Wochenende.
Okay, so they just want to see कि if you are able to frame questions, think fast, quickly about that given topic.
I have a sorry.
हाँ, yeah, yeah.
So let's say I got a card and मैंने पहले do form में question बना दिया and then I want to correct myself and then मैंने फिर से Z form में बना दिया.
It's fine.
I'm just
वो उतना
okay.
adjust कर लेते हैं वो.
Okay. So like
A2
again,
onwards they cut the marks because then you're already familiar with the language. फिर
right.
shouldn't make mistakes.
Okay, okay. मतलब अगर मेरे को लगा कि मैंने गलत सेंटेंस बना दिया तो I can correct myself right there.
हाँ, but उतना टाइम नहीं होता to be honest.
True. Okay.
15 मिनट में क्या क्या करोगे ना.
Correct.
ठीक है. What we can do right now, I have this deck. ठीक है, we have 9 students ना. ठीक है, each one of you. Either you can frame a W-Frage or Ja-Nein-Frage. Freunde, Sindhuja, eine Frage.
Treffen Sie deinen Freunde am Wochenende?
हाँ, so now what Sindhuja did, she said treffen Sie deinen Freunde, मतलब क्या आप तेरे फ्रेंड्स को मिलते हो क्या? तो we have to maintain that tone कि अगर जी यूज कर रहे हो तो ईयर ही बोलना पड़ेगा. ना, कि क्या आप आपके फ्रेंड्स को मिलते हो क्या, ऐसा चाहिए ना, और क्या तुम तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स को मिलते हो क्या. So it should be either triffst du deine Freunde oder treffen sie ihre Freunde. Because you're mixing the tones, na, Sindhuja? Sie and
Yeah.
dein.
Sie and yeah, dein. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Swapna?
Yeah.
Triffst du deine Freunde? Swapna is not there. Okay. Manal, triffst du deine Freunde?
Ja, ich treffe meine Freunde am Wochenende.
Okay. Next one for Manal and Apurva, you answer. Lieblingsessen. Easy.
Was ist deine Lieblingsessen?
Meine Lieblingsessen ist Pani Puri.
Okay. Apurva to who else? ठीक है. Abhijit? Getränke?
Was Marx to Getränke?
What is Getränke?
Drink?
Drinks.
Drinks.
What can you ask?
What do you like to drink?
Was trinkst du gern?
Was trinkst du gern?
Okay, was trinkst du gern? Okay, ist trinke Kaffee gern? No.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Ich trinke Kaffee gern.
Ist trinke.
Okay. Abhijit to Lokesh.
Ja.
Arbeitsplatz.
Okay. Lokesh, woher ist Ihr Arbeitsplatz?
Wo ist?
Ah, yes. Wo ist Ihr Arbeitsplatz?
Ihr Arbeitsplatz. Yeah, Lokesh.
Sorry, I was saying mute. Mein Arbeitsplatz ist in Riyadh.
Okay. Lokesh to Tejasvi. Frühstück.
Was ist dein Frühstück am Sonntag?
Was isst du zum Frühstück? Tejasvi.
Okay. Ich esse Idli mit Chutney zum Frühstück.
Am Sonntag. Okay. Tejasvi to Tushar. Urlaub.
It's vacation, right? Can I say that marks to or love or something like that?
Marks to Urlaub.
No. Okay. Tushar marks to Urlaub.
Tejasvi, do you want to say Machen or Myogen? Do you like vacation or do you do, that is, go for a vacation?
Okay, Myogen, right? Yeah. Okay. It's only Schmag, right? It's Myogen, right? Yeah, I forgot. My bad. Yeah,
No.
then
Do you want to say Machen Olaf, Machen or Mjögen?
I'm going for Mjögen actually, but
Do you like vacation? Okay, ठीक है. Marks
it's
to
like
Gen Olaf then.
Mjögen, I can say that also.
Mjögen ideally will not fit here.
Okay, Machen. Okay. Okay, then marks to then Olaf.
Ich mag Urlaub.
Okay, so if you see any drink का name, the cafe, teas, after वगैरह, you can always ask the question, trinken Sie gern? ठीक है? Trinken Sie gern plus add that thing. Trinken Sie gern? काफे था ना यहाँ पे? हाँ, काफे. अगर कुछ eatable है, edible, तो what you can say? Essen Sie gern?
Essen Sie gern.
Then books related है तो lesen. Lesen Sie gern. Or you can also go, so for the second round you can also use one. One तो usually सबके लिए applicable होता ही है.
Okay.
है ना? Wann essen Sie Frühstück? ना? Oder was trinken Sie Kaffee? But ये जो abstract मतलब ऐसे सब जो words है जिसका कुछ verb related we cannot find, जैसे ये ना flasher. Flasher मतलब क्या? Bottle.
Bottle.
तो इसके लिए कोई भी verb चलेगा ना? Nehmen, geben. So you can also say haben Sie. Haben Sie eine
Du eine
Flasche?
Flasche, like that also, right?
Was?
Du eine,
hast
du
du eine
eine
Flasche?
Flasche.
अगर day
Trinkst
related है
du
Sonntag.
Wasser? Trinkst du Wasser mit deiner Flasche?
aus einer, ja. Sonntag है या फिर Wochenende है. Then was magst du am Sonntag? अगर Sonntag plus the topic है ना कि your topic is Essen und Trinken and the word is Sonntag. So you can just say कि was essen Sie am Sonntag? Was trinken Sie am Sonntag? Was lernen Sie am Sonntag? तो आपको वो थोड़ा सा लैंग्वेज का नॉलेज तो थोड़ा तो लगता ही है so that you can tweak.
Rishika, I have a question. जैसे for example Urlaub दिया है, so do I have to use the word Urlaub particularly or I can
No, around
use
the
it
topic. Around the topic.
like reisen Sie oft am Wochenende? So will that
that
be
will also work. Yeah.
okay?
अगर कोई लोकेशन आया तो वो is bitter der Bahnhof. Or another one I'll give you. Wo finde ich? Wo finde ich here? Here मतलब nearby. Der Bahnhof. These are all backup questions. You can always try to think individually. अगर नहीं हुआ तो फिर you can use this such blank होने से अच्छा है ना.
What about this, Rishika? Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof, like that?
Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof? That will also work. How do I come to Bahnhof?
How do I
But
come
zum
to?
will not be applicable for everything. You cannot say zum Kirche. You'll have to say zur Kirche.
Yeah,
तो फिर लोकेशन का जेंडर पता होना चाहिए for that.
Yeah.
Abhijit and Apurva, did you check the folder? अपना grammar folder, this A1 का folder.
For which file specifically?
Exam preparation.
Yes, I have downloaded it to be honest, but
There are
I haven't.
Langrushi guides as well. Have you seen them?
Yes.
हाँ, तो उसमें तो ये सब मैंने लिखा ही है already. All the questions you have, I'll show you. अरे इसमें प्रश्न हाँ इधर है इधर. वो बाहर आ गया, ठीक है. So I have given you this guide already. कि अगर ये टॉपिक आया एसन und trinken तो what can you use? ठीक है, तो just go through it, try to think कि अगर this is not कि ऐसा ही आएगा, मतलब यही वर्ड्स आएंगे, but around the topic I have gathered from all the resources that we have.
And I think we also have similar thing for Schreiben as well, right?
हाँ,
Where we
Schreiben के लिए भी, हाँ, yes. Letters also are there. This is for Sprechen and then we have for Schreiben. Tiles Y का ही है because style lines की anyway it is form related, तो you don't need it. ओके, नाउ जो टाइल ड्राई है एक्सप्रेशन का, तो यहाँ पे यू विल नॉट गेट एनी वर्ड. एटलीस्ट ये वर्ड को थोड़ा याद रख के, या फिर इफ यू ट्राई टू रिकॉल इट यू विल बी एबल टू एसोसिएट ना. बट टाइल ड्राई में सेम थिंग, यू विल गेट दिस कार्ड्स. तो कार्ड्स पे डायरेक्टली यू विल हैव इमेजेस. तो अगर आपको इमेज को क्या बोलते हैं ये पता नहीं है, तो देन हाउ विल यू फ्रेम इम्पराटिव ना, an order or a request?
So it should always be like imperative command which we need to give to our partner, right?
Okay. You can either say geben Sie mir die Tomaten, oder du kannst auch sagen, kannst du mir die Tomaten geben?
Okay.
Can you give me the tomatoes? हाँ. So it can be can में या फिर directly imperative. Both will work.
Just I need to take one step back. पिछले वाले tile में we had this last word. Verein. Yes.
हाँ.
This is
Verein
new.
is a club. 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 Sports club. That is.
No, not the general club, but the sports
The
one.
the dancing वाला sport club.
Oh, okay.
Sport is a dog. Verein. तो इसके लिए ये जो एक तो go through this book Prüfungstraining compulsory, you have 3-4 days, and this expression का जो guide है इसमें भी I have added few images. तो the same thing कि you will pick up a card, there will be a word and you will have to frame imperative or a request to your partner, and partner का response बहुत simple रहता है कि here bitter, 9 वगैरह, ऐसे simple you can frame.
So we need to just ask for that thing from with whatever is shown in the picture. So it is not supposed to be कि just imperative ही हो, but मैं किसी भी
request भी कर सकते हो.
Okay.
तो geben is a backup verb that you can use. कि können Sie mir bitte die Tomaten geben? 1 Kilo Tomaten geben. And your partner will say, okay, here bitte.
Okay, correct.
Geben is a
können Sie die Tomaten einkaufen? Okay.
Kaufen. Einkaufen is shop. It does not require an object.
Okay.
First time you can use können Sie mir etwas geben, and the second time you can say können Sie mir etwas bringen. तो थोड़ा variation की can you bring me something versus can you give me something. Oder geben Sie mir, bringen Sie mir. तो general objects के लिए it can work. But this one ना, now it will be silly to ask कि können Sie bitte mir Radio geben. यहाँ पे you'll have to say the radio is too loud. Can you turn it off? How will I say that, Sindhuja?
Kannst du bitte, das Radio, nee, das Radio ist laut. Kannst du bitte Sie
S.
hier S CS
Ausmachen, ausschalten.
ausschalten.
To switch off. CD, Geld, इसके लिए गेवन चलेगा. Tomaten. Apfel, Handy. Schlüssel. But हाँ, आपको you should be able to recognize the words.
There is also a page, just a minute. This one, the top right. Is this diary,
is
a page, a calendar,
ein
a to-do
Blatt
list?
Papier. A piece of paper, a sheet of paper.
Oh, okay. I need to.
अगर नहीं समझा तो you can also ask examiners कि
Mhm.
Entschuldigung, ich kenne das Bild nicht. Which means I don't know the picture here. Oder können Sie mir helfen? ठीक है, try to use as much as German you can. English में मत switch हो जाना. जितना हो सके उतना try करो. They sometimes also switch to English to help you out, but खुद से मत करना.
Noted.
What we call to-do list, like it feels like a to-do list, right?
To do list को to do list बोलते हैं वो.
List, okay.
To do list. So you
What
can say
exactly
for
is
your
that actually,
level,
Rishika?
this is actually a piece of paper.
That's it.
But as Sindhuja, for your level, you can say können Sie bitte eine Liste machen, eine Liste schreiben, aufschreiben, pen it down. So Sindhuja, since you are in B1 now, you can also try to frame थोड़े से complex questions with these. ना जैसे you have learned indirekte Fragesätze ना in A2.
Yeah.
So you can say können Sie mir bitte sagen, wo ich
Wo
Tomaten
ich
kaufen
Tomaten?
kann. हाँ,
Okay.
तो practice के लिए you can try this way. ये
Okay.
गिरे. ये जो है इसको we have to use directly imperative only and say Essen ist hier nicht, essen Sie hier nicht, es ist verboten. So something is prohibited. Rauchen Sie hier nicht. Oder trinken Sie hier nicht. Whatever is verboten, ना. तो वहां पे compulsory imperative ही you have to use. ये इनफ होगा ये गाइड. ठीक है, श्राइबन का सिर्फ है ना ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक वेरी वेल, क्योंकि अगर आपने वो अच्छे से नहीं समझा ना तो यू विल एंड अप राइटिंग अ उल्टा टॉपिक, क्योंकि पूरा उल्टा हो जाएगा ना फिर सभी.
Right.
Whenever possible, okay, let us discuss a few pointers as well. Whenever possible, try to add time and place. Okay, do not just ask your friend ki können wir uns treffen. Can we meet each other? Ask when and where. That also add. Können wir uns am Sonntag um 18 Uhr oder 6 Uhr abends im Café, add some name, treffen. Then if you want to give a reason, compulsory use den. You just have to insert den between two sentences. That is, कि ich arbeite nicht. So instead of writing two individual sentences, ich bin krank. What do you say? Ich arbeite nicht, comma, denn ich bin krank. Abhijit, hast du eine Frage?
Alles klar. Ja.
Alles klar.
Ja.
So krank को थोड़ा सा explain करके also you can say fever oder Halsschmerzen, Bauchschmerzen. Ich habe Halsschmerzen, ich habe Bauchschmerzen. Then etwas mitbringen. What will you write here?
Kann ich etwas mitbringen? Getrunken? Oder ein Cola?
Okay, Apurva, which sentences had I given in the group?
For etwas mitbringen.
So what I recently noticed now, कि Goethe Institute is giving you less marks if you write very basic sentences. So if you are appearing for any exam, you let me know. So I then shift you to another temporary group for exam preparation. So I've added Abhijit and Apurva in that since they have their even exam. So if you're bringing someone, don't just say कि कानिश meine Mutter mitbringen वगैरह. थोड़ा उसको और बढ़ा के करो कि कानिश auch meine jüngere Schwester mitbringen. तो आपको सिर्फ एक एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड लर्न करना है. That's it. But it will elevate your letter, na? Bring something, don't say Khanish Dalat mitbringen, Getränke mitbringen. थोड़ा सा अलग. Khanish auch eine Flasche Rotwein mitbringen.
Mm, 100% attendance వచ్చింది.
Okay.
Aufnehmen.
This one, könnten Sie mir bitte die Zeit und Ort mitteilen? Mitteilen is to share. This is actually A2 version. Könnten is could you? जो polite form पे हम बोलते हैं ना, could you help me वगैरह. And in A1 version, you will say können Sie mir. And in the last, I'm going to convert this into notes and send it to you. Whenever if you are waiting for someone's answer, okay, कि you tell the person कि this, can I do something, can I bring someone वगैरह, someone's reply, always write this sentence. Ich warte auf Ihre positive Antwort, which means I'm waiting for your positive reply. This will be in the formal letter, or ich warte auf deine informal name.
తినేసాడు వాడు తినేసాడు.
If you want to apologize, okay, I'm sorry I cannot come, you can say es tut mir leid. This will be like A1, which is okay for you. But additionally, ये सब अगर आपके पास टाइम है उतना, अगर आप रट पाओ, then it is optional. You can always say ich bitte थोड़ा सा heavy है. Ich bitte Verständnis, which means I am requesting for your understanding. Or सीधा vielen Dank für das Verständnis. Thank you for your understanding. ठीक है, तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स ऐड करके ना यू कैन जस्ट मेक इट लिटिल इंटरेस्टिंग. Whenever you have the topic warum, which means why, you have to compulsory write then for even because one का तो answer you know how to write. Welcher Kurs, eins Kurs, A2 Kurs. And also take all the hints possible from the topic itself. कि अगर ये जोमर का एस कैपिटल है तो वो ही चेप दो एग्जाम में, जस्ट कॉपी इट. डी कैपिटल है, लिख दो डी. ठीक है. एंड आई हैव सीन वाइल बिकॉज आई चेक अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का ना एस स्मॉल या बड़ा सेम ही दिखता है. तो जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट इफ एनीथिंग इज कैपिटलाइज थोड़ा सा उसको बड़ा लिखो, नहीं तो फिर वो सेम दिखेगा ना एग्जाम में. Another thing, first letter after you greet someone, sehr geehrte Frau वगैरह, it will always be small. If you are writing to a male, you write lieber R. Lieber Peter. If you're writing to a female, lieber.
Oh.
ठीक है, give a comma. Or just go to the lesson section and see how it is written. लेजन में भी 2 लेटर्स है ना हमारे पास,
Right.
उसमें देखो how it is given there. इसमें हालो लिखा है, हालो भी चलेगा. लीबर लिखा है. तो ये लीबर ग्रीटिंग के बाद कॉमा देके व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग योर लेटर, जो फर्स्ट है ना दैट हैज टू बी ऑलवेज स्मॉल, irrespective whether you are writing a formal or informal. Next in Montag, ऐसे वाले phrases you can take.
The umlauts also, I think we should be careful, I believe, right?
हाँ. Writing वक्त तो umlauts
Right.
possible. हाँ. Noun capitalization and position of verbs is also important. The verbs need to be on second compulsory.
Yes.
Hello, Rishika.
Yes, Swapna.
Just a doubt.
Mhm.
You said that we don't have a para system in writing a letter, right? So that means for every sentence, we have to jump on to the next line. Am I right?
नहीं नहीं, पैरा सिस्टम मतलब इंग्लिश में कैसे वी राइट लाइक दिस, लीबर रुशिका, फिर कॉमा देके उसके नीचे भी स्टार्ट ना लाइक दिस.
हाँ, अच्छा, okay.
वो सिस्टम नहीं है. तो
I got
यू
it.
राइट फ्रॉम हियर ओनली.
Okay, got it.
ऐसे. हाँ,
Understood.
वैसे पैरा सिस्टम है. कॉमा देके देन यू स्टार्ट हियर. And one of the students told me that she attended this Gyothas exam preparation. So they mentioned कि do not write names, your own names. But that she said for B1. So you can write some Farzi naam here. Because now earlier she told me this reason कि earlier there used to be separate exams for internal and external students. But nowadays there are mixed exams. So external students like you are going to appear for the exam externally. And internal students, मतलब students who are doing exams, courses with Gyotha. So if I write my name, then the examiner will understand na कि if I'm his or her own student.
Right.
Right.
हाँ, तो just to hide that, just to not give away your personal details, they make it sure, I guess. But I don't know, मतलब एग्जाम पेपर पे तो नाम होता ही है वैसे भी. कुछ होगा उनका सिस्टम. तो ग्रीटिंग्स तो आपको लेजन सेक्शन से भी मिल जाएंगे. बीच वाला कंटेंट आपको लिखना पड़ेगा सर. I started making this list yesterday. कहाँ गया? This exam folder, na? Exam material folder that I had given you. Okay, so I have sent you Abhijit and Apurva, this writing an invitation to a friend, rejecting the invitation. Apurva, you'll have to rewrite it because you wrote it only about one friend, na? It is here a finder, plural.
Yeah.
Then Vandan Gehan you have written, and Ausflug Machen, this also you wrote, I guess.
Yes.
No? I'll be sending you this today, and 2-3 more. Okay, Stornierung einer Reservierung, cancellation of a reservation. And Verschiebung eines Termins, postponing an appointment.
Okay.
Okay, anything from A1 exam point of view? Anything you would like to ask? Questions?
Telk, will that be in Hyderabad? Hyderabad it is available, right?
है ना, Telk का
Gyode
center.
I saw, but Telk I didn't know.
बट उनका अलग से ही हर किसी का ना डेट्स, आई थिंक डेट्स का कुछ अलग सा ये है स्ट्रक्चर. नहीं है हैदराबाद में.
There's no
है ना?
Hyderabad, so I
नहीं है.
no.
I think there are
Traveling.
less options, Pushpa. I think it's just math like that. I think.
हाँ, ग्योथ का ही ऑप्शन है हैदराबाद में.
Yeah, I think I do
Banjara
Gyode only. I
Yeah,
should
I'm
keep
from
it
Hyderabad. I
also.
just checked, but I don't see anything.
Telk is a grammar based exam. Okay, तो Telk में you have something called Sprachbausteine, which are I'll show you here 1 second. So
So
there you
even the
have
paper is
grammar.
different. Okay.
Paper is different, हाँ. ये नहीं, उनके साइट वाला दिखाती हूँ मैं डायरेक्टली. तो Telk वैसे comparatively easier है to solve than Gyotha. इसमें writing exam में you have reading, language elements, that is grammar, listening and writing. And then oral exam का अलग से English proofing का.
So when compared to Gyotha, this is easy.
हाँ, अगर grammar अच्छा है तो Telk is easy.
Grammar, okay, okay.
क्योंकि grammar का पूरा ये है ना.
Yeah, grammar is like heavy. B1, yeah.
हाँ.
And there's no Hyderabad center also, right? I think I should only give Gyotha.
Gyotha में कि क्या है कि 4 parts है ना. We have.
Parts, yeah.
हाँ, तो you have to appear for all 4 modules separately. But
Okay.
Telk का एक ही है. हाँ, जैसे
Yeah.
this is Telk's one question paper 19 का है ना ये. हाँ, तो in general preparation तो दोनों का सेम ही रहेगा. Even if you solve Gyotha while preparing for Telk, that will be again benefit only.
Okay.
So we have this where you have to match the titles here. Then you
Is
have
that
to
it?
read all
Okay.
of this. And इसको time is I
And
think 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes something. Leser verstehen. This one where you have to match the ads. And then you have Sprachbausteine, in which you have to fill in these
the
gaps
grammar.
with the options given. हाँ.
Yeah, the grammar. Okay.
हाँ. तो इसमें ध्यान देना है कि conjugation क्या है, verb positions क्या है, what is fitting in it.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो ये doable है actually. Telk is quite doable.
And even the relative pronomen, I believe, yeah.
हाँ, yeah. And then Sprachbausteine में इसमें तो we have to select from the given options only. 3 ऑप्शन में तो एक तो सही होगा, बट सेकंड पार्ट में देन यू हैव मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस, तो फिर वो देखना पड़ेगा कौन सा किधर जा रहा है, क्योंकि एक गलत हुआ तो दूसरा भी हो सकता है ना गलत।
Yeah, okay.
हम्म तो वैसे टेल्क थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग है, बट ग्योथा इट्स हैज मोर वेटेज, ग्योथा इज डिफिकल्ट एज वेल।
I think even, do you have any idea for like job applications or something? Do they see Gyota or TELC when I apply?
नो दे जस्ट राइट
No,
कि यू
just
नीड
said.
B1, हाँ।
Okay, okay.
बट वेटेज वाइज ग्योथा हैज मोर वेटेज देन
More
टेल्क।
weightage.
यहाँ ना मैंने इन ईच लेवल आई हैव अपलोडेड सम वोट चार्ट्स, ऐसे ही इधर उधर से मुझे डाउनलोडिंग रिसर्च के वक्त मिला। So you can
Okay.
just go through all of this, start going through them. At least A1 A2 का कर लो।
Yeah, okay.
हाँ, लैंग्वेज का क्या है ना, जितना भी करोगे उतना कम ही है।
Yeah, it keeps coming. The vocabulary and the grammar is
Yeah.
important. Yeah, okay.
Or let's say that you learn this and you don't utilize this in a sentence, or you do not revisit these words for 2 months,
It's
फिर वो
waste, yeah, it's
हाँ फिर
the
वो
waste,
दिमाग
yeah.
से आउट भी हो जाएगा। यस yes, Apurva and Abhijit, you also go through this WordStats का PDF.
Yeah.
First of all, solve the Prüfungstraining, go through the Langduschi guides, and then come to this as well.
Right.
Yes.